Hello, today we will guide you through how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official download page, especially if you do not already have the website bookmarked. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type Cloudflare Warp Download, then run the search. On the results page, look for the result titled Download Cloudflare 1, Client Stable Releases. This is the page you want because it leads to Cloudflare's official download resources. It is always a good idea to download software directly from the official source whenever possible, since that helps you avoid outdated files or unofficial copies. Click that result to continue. When the Cloudflare download page opens, find the option labeled Download Latest Stable Release. Select that download option to get the current Windows installer. Depending on your browser, the file may begin downloading automatically, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you are prompted, choose a location that is easy to find later, such as your Downloads folder. After the download is complete, open the downloaded installer. In most cases, you can do this by clicking the file from your browser's download bar or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the installer there. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, approve the prompt so the installation can begin. This is a normal part of installing software on Windows. Once the installer opens, click Install and then follow the on-screen procedure until it finishes. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your version of Windows, but the process is typically straightforward. Just continue through the installer as directed and wait for it to complete. During installation, try not to close the window or restart your computer unless the installer specifically asks you to. When the setup is done, Cloudflare Warp will be installed on your Windows system. At that point, you can open the app from your desktop, Start menu, or wherever Windows places the shortcut after installation. If you do not see it right away, give Windows a moment to finish updating shortcuts and search indexing. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Cloudflare Warp on Windows. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to keep it nearby in case you need to repeat the process on another device.